Okay, this is the last set of the electricity worksheet. Let's go through this together. Okay, Jolene set a fire alarm system in a restaurant. She used a metal rod, alarm S, and some wires, you can see here. So the metal rod expands easily when heated. So you annotate this part, metal rod expand easily when heated. So at 60 degrees, can you see? The alarm will turn on. So you're supposed to explain how the system works when the temperature is above 60 degrees Celsius. Okay, so can you notice here? This part when it's heated, right? Okay, because if the restaurant is on fire, because metal is a good conductor of heat, so the heat will cause the metal rod to expand, to gain heat and expand. So this part will move outwards and form a closed circuit. So notice this is a battery, right? So the current will flow through here, through this connection here. Because now it's being expanded, it will form a connection here, and this will turn the alarm on. Okay, so you explain this question by writing the important information here, which I can give you some hint. So basically, you say that metal is a good conductor of heat at 60 degrees Celsius at temperature above 60 degrees C. The metal rod will gain heat and expand.
I don't have this worksheet.
Yeah, this one you don't have because this one is on the spot. I do it
Oh.
with, yeah. Okay. So the metal rod will gain heat and expand, forming a closed circuit. Forming a closed circuit. Closed circuit allow the electricity to flow to the alarm, turning it on. Turning it on. So this is the full answer. So the examiner will look for these important parts, right? So number one, you must mention is a good conductor of heat, and then they will gain heat and expand this part, forming a closed circuit, allow electricity to flow to the alarm, turning it on. So this is actually a close-up, zoom in diagram of how fire alarm works. So same thing, can you see this is a bimetallic strip. So one, okay, in this case, the part below, right, the red color one will expand more than the black color. So when temperature is high, the bimetallic strip will bend upwards. Okay, the bimetallic strip will bend outwards, and this will cause it to form a closed circuit here, turning on the electric bell. So let's say the fire has been put off, the temperature will drop, right? So then the bimetallic strip will return to its original position. So the alarm will turn off. So this is an excellent application of the thermal properties of bimetallic strip of a fire alarm. Okay, next question. Okay, then Jolene wanted to create a lit up sign in a restaurant. She named it Grace Cafe. She used one light bulb to light up each character. And you're supposed to draw the circuit diagram for her signboard. Okay, for her signboard. So actually, this one should be quite easily done, right? So use your artistic skill to draw. Okay. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 5 bulbs. Okay, circuit diagram, you have to cross it. Cross the bulb. And then take note because there's a condition given. The condition says what? If one bulb fills, the other will still light up. And the entire sign is controlled by a single switch. So you have to connect it to the parallel. Okay, I cannot draw so well on the mouse here, but I assume that you can do so on your paper. So this part, remember to draw a switch. Okay, a switch. And then extend a little bit, okay, the switch. So this part, got to close everything here. Make sure this is no gap here. Let's close the gap here. And similarly for here. Okay, then connect to this part. Okay, take note, if you draw one extra line, because some students, they draw one extra line here, this one will be marked wrong. Do you know why not? Okay, in reality, if you have this wire, right, the 5 bulbs may not light up because electricity always choose the path with the least resistance. Okay, least resistance means because here, imagine you have the electricity flowing through, right? There's this bulb blocking. So there's nothing blocked. So electricity will bypass everything, will come here. Okay, you're like a short circuit. So don't draw this line here. Remember, don't draw this line. So make sure it's connected this way. Okay, as I've just shown you earlier, this part. So you draw the line, make sure it's connected well to this, don't have any gaps. Okay, this part. So that's the answer. Okay, Grace Cafe. So actually these 2 questions ends the class today. So you can screenshot this together with this answer here. Okay, so today I've gone through the important parts, revising with students, the electrical system, just share briefly this part, the differences of batteries in series and bulbs in series. So do take note of this electrical system. And also for this part, how a simple circuit will work, you need to explain. So for example, in this bimetallic strip, when it's heated, it will, one end will be longer than the other. So if you need additional help, you can contact me at this number for more training. So I wish you all the best in completing your worksheets and also reviewing this video if you need more help to get the answers more accurately. Thank you. Stay safe. God bless.